Welcome to Just a Bit of Home. Today I'm going to show you how I make my vector flower clip arts in order to use in Design Space on the Cricut. First, I googled a spiral clip art, and then I used a screenshot program to take a screenshot of the vector that I would like to create. I then pasted it into a paint program, and I will use this program to clean up the exterior of the image, so I'll be able to use it in Design Space. And I'm also going to save it in a format that will be compatible with Design Space. Ideally, JPEGs are the best choice, or SVGs, anything that you are familiar with. I will be saving this as a JPEG. Ensure you save it in a location that you'll be able to find it. I'm going to save it there. And it's going to be saved as a JPEG. It's going to give me a warning because I already saved this before to try it out. I'm not worried about these edges over here because I'll be adding additional shapes to it. So back in Design Space, I will be uploading. I'm going to go upload an image. I'm going to browse. Immediately, I'm going to be able to find my image, open. I'm going to click on Simple. And then I'm going to hit continue. I would like to clean up this image a little bit more, so I'm going to crop it, and then I'm going to clean it up. Then hit continue, and this is what it'll look like. So I'm going to hit save. Slowly, very slowly. I'm going to make this about 10 inches in diameter. You can just click up on the size, type in your size that you want. I just find that 10 inches is reasonable enough to work with. I'm going to stay on that path, and that's where I'm going with that. I'm going to add some shapes. I'm going to pick a heart, and I'm going to make this heart 1.5 inches. Now you can make them any size that you would like, but the reason I've chose the 1.5 inches is because I want to be able to clear this part of the spiral and still remain on the spiral here. So what you can do is you can put a heart there, and then you can come off to the right and hit duplicate. You can put another one and angle it, and you can make all sorts of patterns. I'm also going to insert a small circle. I'm going to make this one 2 inches, and that is actually going to be the base of the pattern, so that you can get a base for the end of the flower to sit on. So you just keep going, duplicate, 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 and you keep going around with your hearts, and you end up like this. You could weld if you need to, or you can, and this is what it would look like, or you can continue and go all the way around and then weld it. So if I did the undo on this, which, okay, not going to happen today. I forgot I've done an extra couple steps, but this is what it's going to look like if you go all the way around with your hearts and your circle. When you get to the point that you'd like to cut this out, you need to ensure that you go up here and you click no fill. So it needs to be on a cut and no fill, and then you can click the make it, and it will show up. You have the choices of different sizes. I typically like to make my flowers around 5 inches, 6 inches, but you can make it any size you want. And then you would hit continue, and you would cut the items. One thing I wanted to show you though quickly is that you're not just stuck with hearts. I have on here a circle and a diamond, and I'm going to take the two of them. I'm going to weld them together. And then you click on the little unlock, and you can change the shape to any shape you want. And then you could duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. You could take these and you can churn them, and you could even make some other types of flowers or anything you would like. And you can honestly just weld these. Or you can take a circle and slice it with a square, and then you can change the sizes. There's lots of options, so if you liked this and you want to try out some more different templates, have fun with it. If you like this video, check me out. This is my Facebook page, Just a Bit of Home. I'm also on Instagram, Pinterest, and you're probably watching this on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you check me out.